Hello friends, welcome back with another video on my YouTube channel Tech Chanakya. Today I am going to unbox my new tripod which I have purchased from Amazon from their in-house brand name Amazon Basics. Come, let's start it. This is how the package delivered from Amazon. And this is how it looks inside the packaging. And it comes with sort of Amazon box packing. All over the box you'll get the Amazon branding and the product info. This tripod market price is 1815 rupees, but you can easily get this on Amazon for just rupees of 799 with all offers. Let's remove the box and see how it is inside. Inside there is a zipper carry bag with adjustable shoulder strap, and the quality of carry bag is very nice, and that is very useful to carry your tripod with you always. Let's quickly take it out the tripod from carry bag. Wow, it has good texture and it is in copper color, made up of good quality aluminum material. It comes in 3 variants, 50 inches, 60 inches and 70 inches. This one is of 16.5 inches of minimum height and 50 inches when extended. Its weighs around 567 grams and can withstand maximum weight of 1.5 kg to 2 kg. It has good compact size and it is quite steady because it is made up of aluminium, and it has 3 section lever lock legs of adjustable heights which is made up of good plastic. It has 3-way panning and function has no issues. All screws and movements are smooth and working properly. And its orientation allows the camera to move portrait to landscape and almost any angle. And the tripod also allows for full panoramic possibilities with its 360-degree swell function. And its quick release mounting plate helps to easily remove your camera from the tripod. When it comes to product rating, it is amazing. It has 4.5 stars and it is the second best seller in Amazon. Till now there is no issue with stability in room or terrace, but not steady enough to be used in outdoor on windy weather. People may feel lack of stability on steadiness in outdoors or in windy weather, so I suggest you should invest more and buy some professional grade products. At this price range of 800 rupees, the quality of the tripod is unbeatable. You cannot find better tripod at this price range. I recommend you this tripod if you are an beginner YouTuber and mostly use it in indoors and do not want to spend much. It is best deal for you, and I do not recommend for outdoor photography and professional purpose. Let me know which tripod you are using on comment section. And this is the end of the video. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel Tech Chanakya and give it a big thumbs up.